All right, question 2B. This is going to be, first step is going to be find triangles, cut them into triangles. So then I am going to draw that picture separately. So the 23 right here is the height of the triangle. And then I'm going to go to step 2, which is find an angle. To find our angle, we're going to use an interior angle. So I'm going to do 180 times n minus 2. Make sure you're getting the right n, which is 9 sides. And then divide that by 9. So I'm going to do, on my calculator, 180 times 7, and then divide it by 9. So I get 140. But this line right here cut that angle in half. So I'm going to divide it by 2. And I get 70 degrees. So I'm going to put that 70 in the bottom left corner of my triangle. Now we're on step 3. We're going to find base and or height. In this case, since we have a 70-degree angle, we're going to use trig. So I'm going to use sine, cosine, or tangent. So looking at this situation, we're going to need just the base this time because we already have the height. And we don't have the hypotenuse and we don't need it. So to find the base, I'm going to use opposite and adjacent. So that would be tangent. So I'm going to write tangent of 70 over 1 equals opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to cross multiply. In this case, it's been a minute since we've done it like this. A few of your questions on some of your practice have had this, but not a ton. So we're going to write 23 equals b times tangent of 70. So in this case, we do have to divide both sides by tangent of 70. And that's going to cancel out right here. So this is what I'm typing into the calculator. 23 divided by tangent of 70. So I get b is 8.3713. I like to circle it or box it so I can keep track of what I'm doing. Number 4, step 4 is going to be to find, excuse me, find the area. So we're going to do area of a triangle times the number of triangles. So 1/2 base times height times double the amount of sides. So 1/2 times base, 8.3713, times height, which is 23, times double the amount of sides, which would be 18. Double check that you wrote it correctly, and then type it in your calculator, and then double check that you typed it in your calculator correctly. So I'm doing that right now. Now I'm double checking. I should have 1,732.86 units squared.